Good morning students. Today first question is input a matrix of 5 by 5 and print the following patterns. So suppose this is the matrix of 5 by 5, then we have to print number first is a left lower part. So this will be 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and this is called the left lower part up to 5. Second, we have to print a left above part. So the first row will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, second, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 1. Third is a right lower diagonal, and the values will be, there will be a 5 spaces, 4 spaces, then value of 5, 3 spaces, 4, 5, then 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And last one is a right above diagonal is a 1 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5 3 4 5 and 4 5, and last is a 5. So we have seen here in right diagonal the space will be printed first, then the value will be printed, but in case of the left diagonal there is the no space before the values. So this is just a solution of that. Import java.util.star class demo public static void main string args. Then we have to declare the object of scanner class, then integer num, 2-dimension array, new integer, and the size of this is a 5 of 5, and we have to I and j for the index values. Here we are inputting a 2-dimension arrow, so enter the 2-dimension matrix. So enter the 25 values for matrix I equals 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus j equals 0, j is less than 5, j plus plus num I of j is equal sc dot next int. So your matrix has inputted of 5 and 5, and now we are printing here the left lower diagonal. So the loop will be 0 to 5 and second will be 0 to I. So this will print only the one value in first row, because the value of I is 0. So j will be start from 0 and equal to I. So this is condition is true. So only one value will be print. When the value of j will be increment, so j will be less, j will be increment, so j will be greater than I. So next 4 values of the matrix will not print, and that will change the line. Again the value of I will be 1 and j start from 0. So first two values, for two values the condition will be true, j equals 0 is true, j is less than I. Again the condition is true. So this will print the complete lower left diagonal. Now the next one is the left above diagonal. So first we are writing I equals 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus, and j start from 0, and the condition is j is less than 5 minus I. So here the 5 minus I will be 5 minus 0, so this is equal to 5, then j plus plus. So first this will print the complete value of first row from 0 to 4. In second line, when the I will be 1, so the condition will be 5 minus 1, that is 4. So this will print from 0 to 3 complete 4 values of second row. Similarly third row, fourth row, and fifth row. So this will print the left above diagonal. Now here this is the coding of right lower diagonal. I equals 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus, j equals 0, j is less than 5, j plus plus. And here we require the one condition, if the j is less than 4 minus I. So 4 minus I, this will be in first case 4, and now the value of j is 0. So 0, 1, 2 and 3, 4 times this condition will be true. So this will print the 4 spaces before the matrix value. Then after that the condition will be false, so this will print the first value on the first row. Then change the line. Similarly, this will print the second value, the second row, third row and fourth row. Now this is the right above diagonal, so I will be start from 0, I is less than 5, j equal 0, j is less than 5, j plus plus. And we are writing in the condition, if the j is less than I, then print the spaces, otherwise this will print the value. So in the first case the value of I is 0 and the value of j is 0, so no condition is true. So this will, in all the cases, else part will be execute. So this will print the complete values first row. When the I will be 1, then j start from 0. So first time, only one time the condition will be true. So this will print first one space, then after that the condition will be false. So this will print the next 4 values of the matrix. Similarly, this will print the complete right above diagonal. And now here is the next question. Input a matrix of 4 by 4 and print the row sum and column sum of this matrix. So we have just to import java.util.star class demo. This may be a public static void main, then or we can take a void input. So string sc equal new scanner, scanner sc equal new scanner, system.in. We have to declare a matrix of 2 dimension 4 by 4 integer I, j. This is the column row sum and column sum. And there is the one most part is important. The size of the row sum and the column sum should be equal to the size of the matrix. So here the 4 value we have to assign in rows and the 4 value we have to assign in columns, because the size of our matrix is 4 by 4. Now here this is the input part of 4 by 4 matrix. So we have already seen how the 2 dimension matrix is input. Now this is the main part of the program. So I equals 0, I is less than 4, I plus plus, j equals 0, j is less than 4, j plus plus. So row sum of I equal row sum of I plus num I of j. So when we are writing the num I of j, then the values will be added row wise and stored in the single dimension array of rows. And in case of the column sum, we will write the num j of I. So this will read the value column wise and store the sum of first row when the I will be I value is 0 and the column of 0. When the I will be 1, this will execute second time complete. So this will calculate the second row sum and second column sum and stored in the second box of the rows and columns. And now here we are printing. So first we have to print the matrix. So this will print the first complete row of the first row of a matrix. Then after that, here we are printing the first value of row. So this will print the row sum first value. Again this will print the second row, then print the row sum of second. And when the complete matrix with row is printed, now we are printing at the bottom I equals 0, I is less than 4, I plus plus. So this will print the column sum below the each column of the matrix. Now the next question is here, input a matrix of 5 by 5 and print the main diagonal, print the sum of main diagonal of this matrix. Let's take an example. Suppose there is a matrix of 5 by 5. So this will be the main diagonal. So sum of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be the first top to down, and second will be the again vertically top to down. So here import java.util.star class demo void import scanner sc equal new scanner system.in. Here we have declared a two-dimensional arrow of 5 by 5. We require the two variable I, j and s is a sum. So enter the 25 values for a matrix, that I equals 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus, j equals 0, j is less than 5, j plus plus. So this is the input statement for the 5 of 5 size of matrix, and now here we are calculating the diagonal sum. So the loop will be I equals 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus, j equals 0, j is less than 5, j plus plus. And when the I equal is j, so first we are printing here the diagonal sum from left to right, and this is the diagonal sum from right to left. So here the sum will be 0 of 0, 0, 1 of 1, 2 of 2, 3 of 3 and 4 of 4. And from here this will calculate first value 0 of 4, that will be the right to left. Second value will be 1 of 3. Third value will be 2 of 2. Similarly 3 of 1 and 4th of 0. So this will calculate the sum of left to right diagonal, and this will calculate the sum of right to left diagonal. And now we are printing here, and our matrix is of 5 by 5. So one value will be add 2 times, that is middle value here is the 3. So we will minus this value. So the index of this will be 2 of 2 in case of 5 by 5, or we can calculate this from this formula, integer p equal 5 by 2, s equal s minus num p of p, and the value of p is 2. So this will subtract the value one time from the matrix sum, and now we are printing at the sum of the main diagonal equal s.